It has some controversy. I've heard that it's racist and it's divisive, and I can't possibly see how. Question: what are my thoughts on the grading system? I think the grading system is great. It has some controversy. I've heard that it's racist and it's divisive, and I can't possibly see how. I mean, it's a great learning tool. It is really important that you see, as a consumer, where historically hair care and styling, from whose point of view it was, who it was meant for and who it wasn't. And so the grading system for me in our texture spectrum, it simply lays out, one, not only the different numbers of hair textures, but also their sub-hair types. More importantly, what's useful about it is that it simply helps you to hone in and find out a more specific regimen that's more customizable to your hair texture versus someone else's. And it's important for you to see someone else's so you know what you shouldn't be doing to your hair versus what you should be doing to your hair. For instance, shampoos that bubble, lather, and suds. They're great, or sulfate free, right? Which is a whole marketing tool. They're great. Shampoos that bubble, lather, and suds are great for removing oil and making hair full and voluminous. If you have a texture that is naturally drier and that has volume already, the only reason to use a shampoo that bubbles, lathers, and suds is as a treatment to remove buildup. That's where we were able to customize our products and have them be more in tune with education, right? So we're not just launching shampoos and conditioners and styling products. We're launching them based off of your hair texture. I'm gonna tell you something. Anything that is a tool to help you to achieve something is beneficial. I can't for the life of me figure out why somebody would think that a grading system, a tool for education, helping you to identify your hair texture and all the products and or techniques specific to that texture would be racist. But whatever.